Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use your silicone molds to achieve some chocolate works. They're so easy to make, so sit back, relax, and make sure you watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you need a metal plate, but if you don't have a metal plate you can also use a glass bowl, then a grater. Then here is my chocolate. I used 150 grams of compound chocolate, the dark type. So now I'm grating the chocolate into the metal plate. So I'm done with the process. You now need a saucepan, but if you don't have a saucepan, you can just use a small pot. Now I'm going to add little water. Afterwards, I will be seating the metal plate into the saucepan, and make sure that the water does not touch the base of the metal plate, because all you just need for the melting of the chocolate is just the steam. So now I'll have to place my saucepan on top of the fire, then melt the chocolate alone. This is called the double broiler method. But if you don't want to go through this process, you can just melt your chocolate with microwave. That one is faster. But just make sure you use medium heat to melt it, especially when you're using the microwave. You don't have to stay for so long while melting. This process takes 2 to 3 minutes and you're done. Now I've removed it from the heat. I've finished melting the chocolate, so I'll be transferring it into a piping bag. So these are my silicone molds, different types. I'll be using them for this video tutorial. It's now time for me to start the real work, so I'll be cutting off the tip of the piping bag with my scissors so that I can start piping the melted chocolate into the silicone mold chambers. You can now freeze or refrigerate for 5 minutes for them to solidify. Yay, my chocolate works are ready, so I can now use them for my cake decoration. Wow, look at what we've got here. I've removed all the chocolate works from the silicone molds. They're so beautiful. You can use them to decorate your cakes. So I believe after watching this video tutorial, you can make yours as well. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.